Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we will learn about these different sewing machine accessories. Some are given with your machine and some you have to purchase. So I will explain you whether you should buy these or not, and each and everything step by step. So don't skip the video, and if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, so every time I will upload a video you will get notification. I'm your sewing instructor Sara, and I have 3 years of diploma and 10 plus years of teaching experience. These skills you can check in my playlist about the pattern making and dressmaking for beginners. So let's start. First we will use this plate because we are going to attach the button with our sewing machine. So the purpose of this plate is hide your feed dogs. Feed dogs actually move your fabric, so in this step we don't want that our fabric will move, so we will secure it with this plate. This plate is given with your machine, so you don't need to purchase extra. So just remove your foot and now attach this button foot. This is also given with your machine. So now take any a size button, even smallest button you can attach. So I have this big button, so I'm just attaching these. So for this you need a zigzag stitch here. This is the zigzag design, this first one. So you need the width according to your size of your button. As my size is bigger, so I will I will adjust the bigger number, and here also you can see I just select the zigzag. Now by moving just by hand I will check that is my needle is moving on both holes of this button. First we will attach 2 holes and then the other 2, so you can check by moving your hand and then just press your pedal. So obviously you will press your pedal by foot, but I'm just showing you. See how easily it is attached now. Same way, just move it a little bit for the other hole and then just press your pedal and you are done. See, very easily, but it is very secure and very professional looking button is attached. You see there is no mess here, and the extra this thread you can cut with the small scissor. So hope you like this one. Now the next is buttonhole. Obviously if you have button you need buttonhole. So some machine has a 4-step buttonhole and some are with only 1-step buttonhole. So 1 step means you just only need to adjust your dial once and all is done. But in my machine this is 4-step buttonhole. So first I just mark here the length of my button. If you have 1-step buttonhole machine you don't need this marking. But if you have 4-step buttonhole machine, you need to mark your button first. So this is the buttonhole foot. I will adjust it here, and then I will place my fabric on this, and see, we will start from the front side of the this marking, and here you just need to adjust first on the on your dial where it is written 1 and 4. So sorry, 1 and 3. So I am just using the lighter color so you can see clearly. So just place it like this way. First this step you need the 1st and 3 is written on here, and here you don't need a zigzag, so it should be on 0. So after making first step you need to move your dial on the second, and then again on the 1 and third button where it is written 1 and 3, and then again you need to adjust it on the 4. So automatically it will stitch a zigzag, and Here you don't need any zigzag selection. Just by selecting your buttonhole option, it will automatically stitch in zigzag. Now it's time to cut your this hole. You can use this seam opener or any blade, or even the scissor you can use, and see how easily it's done according to your button size. Hope you understand this, but when you will practice on your machine, you will discover more. So see here, this is only not for the jackets or shirts. You can even create curtains and cushions with this button hole design. With the button and buttonhole, you can create a lot of designs. So what is the next? I think I will attach this zipper foot. So this zipper foot is also given with your machine, so you don't need to purchase. See, with regular foot, it will slide on your zip, so it is difficult. So that's why the zipper foot shape is something like this, that you can select the right or left side. It depends on which side of the zipper you want to stitch, and according to that you can just adjust it. And here we just need a straight stitch obviously, and see how closely and neatly it will be done. And see here, better if you close your zipper. I forgot to close my zipper, so for a neat result you need to close your zipper and then stitch. So hope guys this is also helpful. So what's the next? And guys, please don't forget to press the like button, so I can make more videos. So next is this roll hem foot. This is not given with your machine, so you need to purchase it. So if you have a lot of work with like umbrella dresses and something like this is very useful, so you can purchase. See, that's how you have to adjust it, one fold or two fold. Sometime in umbrella dresses, first we stitch only one fold first and then fold it again, so it depends. So according to that you can place. And guys, this roll hem foot comes in different sizes, and see, this is the width, but also if you feed the less fabric you can achieve this look as well. So it depends how you can use and how you want to use. So guys, please press the thumbs up button and see some face we already discovered, and some others this will I will make another video so that you guys can easily learn more. But for that I need your feedback. Let me know in the comments that you want the next part of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.